opted to take the ball across the timeline with, a dribble. But I think he realizes that he needs to get the ball in the hands of the guards.
Nice dish off mula kay Sunday Salvacion, setting up Chris Alexander. Good patience displayed by Ginebra.
Well, alam ni Coach Joseph Chico, nakaupo si Watkins. And they're going to go to Alexander every chance they have, especially that close to the basket. Sino naman ang pipigil kay Alexander? Not Danny Sigo, not Daniel Defonso, not Danny Sigo, and not Dorian Peña. Chris Alexander. Oh, doing a little jig.
Oo naman. Oo naman, matagal-tagal siya hindi nakashoot ng free throw. He's not 2 out of 9 from the line. And more importantly, ito na pinakamalaking lamang ng Ginebra. That's last touch on the Gen Kings. Ball will stay with Magnolia with 31 seconds remaining in a pivotal third quarter. Cortez is inserted back along with Jamil Watkins. Situational substitution po ito. And here's Togade. Danny I. Cortez fakes, fires, scores! 7 points for Mike Cortez. A delay of game warning here laban sa Magnolia. 21 seconds remaining bago matapos ang third quarter. Six points ang lamang ng Ginebra. And they can write the last sentence of the third chapter. Bola na kay Valenzuela. Valenzuela makes his move, but he loses the ball. And then Watkins throws the ball away. 6 seconds to shoot for Ginebra. 5 seconds to go. Tubid, short. Bola na kay Watkins. 1 second to go. At dyan magtatapos ang third quarter.
Well, nakita natin, Ginebra struggling to get a shot. Wala si Helterbrand on the floor. Wala si Mark Aguiwa.
Nevertheless, lamang po sila ng 6, 60-54 at the end of 3 quarters. We'll be back with the fourth and final quarter matapos ang ilang paalala.